Today we are going to paint a simple sailboat in watercolor. We shall need this material. First of all, we are going to sketch the sailboat. Try to sketch it with pencil mark as light as possible. As long as you can see the basic shape of the sailboat, it is already sufficient. I decided to add a sun on the top. I then erased off the pencil mark, leaving just a very light sketch as a guideline. Next, we activate the watercolor paint by mixing a small amount of the paint with a bit of water. We can add more paint or water to adjust the color intensity along the way. I start to paint the sun by using the wet on dry technique, which means using the wet paint on dry paper. Before the first color becomes dry, we add the next color for the two colors to blend slightly. Next, I am going to paint the sail of the boat. We are going to activate some deep blue, violet and crimson red. To paint the sail, I'm going to use the wet on wet technique, which means using wet paint on wet surface. Apply a layer of water on the area until the paper looks glossy. Then, drop the color on the wet area. Let the different colors blend into each other. By using the same technique, we paint the other side of the sail. Next, we paint the body of the boat. I only wet the upper part of the boat as I want the two different parts to be painted in two different colors. To prevent the color of the upper part from seeping through the bottom part of the boat, I will only paint the bottom part once the upper part is dry. By using the bigger round brush, we now wet the surface of the sky area. I use violet, vermilion, and some deep blue for sunset color. To paint the ocean, again we are using the wet on wet technique. Use deep blue for the ocean. To showcase the reflections of the sailboat, I'm going to add the multicolors of the sailboat in the ocean. I then added some dark value to enhance the form and shapes of the sailboat. Last but not least, by using a black ballpoint pen, I trace an outline along the sailboat, just to make the object look more prominent. This step is totally optional. Lastly, some splatter to enhance the overall feel.